Hello and welcome to the second part of our long Canon video, which you've probably seen in our first part. Yeah, we'll present you some stuff and see you here. So next up we have a box of Canon. Haha, surprise, surprise. There are some entry-level SLR cameras again, AV1, AT1s, all entry-level. Then we've got one from an earlier series, which is the EF. I think our collector liked them a lot. They are very close to F1, actually, to the original one.
It looks like F1.
Yeah, exactly. It's same age, beginning 1970s. Also only made in black paint finish. These have been made, I think, in chrome and in black, but not paint or some in paint. Yeah.
Do you clean them before, or were they all cleaned like that?
No. We cleaned them, but he kept them pretty clean. But we clean everything. We check everything in advance. You got 6 months of warranty when you buy them from us, but all is checked. All the light seals are actually very nice. We just had to replace a few, so he took great care of his cameras.
They're very clean.
There is also a very neat camera, which is the Canon dial.
That's a camera. I thought it's only a flash.
No flash, no exposure meter.
Ah.
It's a real camera.
And there, what is this? You can change. What is that?
Exposure meter, basically. Yeah? The cells for the metering system. It's also a 35mm. That's the transport here, and film is here, but half format, 18 by 24.
So you can make more pictures.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Nice.
Quite nice, interesting stuff.
Looks like the Instax Fuji
almost,
a little bit
yeah,
like.
Yeah, almost. This is a Canon F1 from the new generation, which replaced the old one, I think around 79 or something like that.
And I can use now this, for instance, on it.
You can use, that's the first FD lens, but you can still use it on that camera. So they kept the bayonet. Not with all functions, but you can still use it. And then we've got the box of the flagship. There is an F1 in very nice condition, which has the fast 55F 1.2. There are some limited editions, which is the Montreal 1976 Olympic Games edition. There is a Lake Placid 1980 limited edition and another Montreal 1976 edition.
I like that. Well. I like that it looks like a pyramid.
Yeah,
it's very nice. And these are the These are the fashion photography cameras.
These are top of the line professional cameras here with an accessory for a flash. Actually.
But normally they use it with this one, like it looks
with the winder or the grip, or the motor drive, exactly. Yeah. This is a new generation F1, and then we've got something pretty nice which we don't see every day, which is
again something like
the
that.
latest, F1 with the automatic prism and the film chamber for 100 exposures.
And it's not that heavy like the other ones.
Never seen or never had.
Sorry, so very sorry.
Dropping money.
It's life. You drop money every day.
Not with us.
Okay.
Now that's a rare back.
It's really
I've
nice.
only had it maybe a couple of times. The other ones, the 250 backs, a lot more often, but this is quite rare. And this has film chambers also included. The normal back as well as those small boxes for the smaller magazines. Not the big 250, but the smaller ones which fit in here.
Crazy.
Yeah.
And this is from the 90s?
This one's
80s.
Late 80s, yeah. maybe 85, something like that.
Like when I was born, this camera was born.
Yeah, you and me,
Yeah.
Exactly.
Same age. Yeah. We are vintage already. People say we're young. No, we again.
Big zoom lens, 85 to 300 millimeters.
F what?
4.5.
Also good.
200 millimeters, 2.8. A lot of zoom lenses, regular lenses, 17 millimeter. Look at that lens hood, 17 millimeters, f4.
Also very nice.
All in nice shape. Some more boxes, 35 to 70, 2.8. There is an early called chrome nose because of the chrome front ring. And then with that automatic sign just in a circle, not with the A, which just means something, but the optical quality is the same. But a pretty rare and sought after lens today.
And the beautiful old Canon logo.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
And that's the widest lens,
the
Canon fisheye 7.5.
Wow.
f5.6. The cap is a bit domed because the front element is not flat, so you have to be very careful to not scratch it or put it like that without the lens cap.
But Canon always had fisheye and 360 camera stuff. We always like to play with that.
That's also a 17 millimeter. You see the difference. That's the SSC version and the FDN, the later version.
So beautiful.
Yeah, definitely. A few more standard lenses in here, 1.850, stuff like that. But we'll show you more exciting stuff and we'll switch. So we start, where do we start? There is a very clean 15 millimeter, that's digital, a fisheye 15.
Digital Sony or Canon or anything with an adapter.
Exactly.
But it's then, it's not autofocus.
No, it's fully manual.
Fully manual. Yeah. But they worked autofocus on the old cameras?
No, also all fully manual.
Nice.
There was just one lens or maybe two lenses which were entry-level stuff, which had a big motor on the side. It's somewhere here as well. I'll show you in a second, which was the first try of autofocus. Yeah. But it didn't work well. You could focus manually much faster than actually with that autofocus device. So.
But manually means it's you have to make more time for it. It slows down.
Exactly.
You take less pictures. It's a different way because if you autofocus, you can pop,
exactly.
And with this, you take more time, and this is why
nowadays
all the filmmakers. So mostly all the filmmakers never use autofocus.
No, they never use it. No, because they need that for the rigs and for that stuff. So they need manual focus lenses. That's why they come back also for the manual. Especially Canon lenses, some Nikon Minolta stuff as well, but yeah, mainly Canon. They like that 1960s, 70s look of it. I'll show you this one. That's mid-end 1960s.
It's a Nocton.
Almost, yeah. It's the so-called Dream lens, 50mm f9.5. Which comes from the Canon 7 rangefinder camera. This was not in a Canon FD mount, nor in the Leica mount, because the lens was so heavy, they had to make a special mount to fit it just on the Canon 7.
Really?
And it couldn't fit anywhere else, because it was an external fit for that camera. There was no screw mount, no bayonet. But you can modify that, or we can modify them to like a mount, so you can use that on every Leica camera. It's pretty fast, has a lot of character. Also, there is a zombie film from, I don't remember, which recently came out, and he just shot with every frame of the film with open f.95.
Nice.
With the 50mm lens, yeah.
And if you get money, summer money or winter money, you can even afford it.
Yeah. Well, you can.
I mean,
you can.
Yeah. The movie will make millions, and only because of a lens like this. Also.
Maybe, yes.
And also about why the movie is so great. It's not about all the lenses, but the lens is also very...
I'm not gonna dig deep into that, every lens here. We just show you the special ones right here. That's a 14mm f2.8, not fisheye. So this was the widest non-fisheye from that series.
But we can pull it out like this, like every time.
Yeah, of course. Sought after. This has now a price point above 6,000 euros above. So depending condition, yeah.
Yeah, this condition is more condition.
Yeah, exactly. There is also a very sought after 35 f1.5 from the same era as this. This one has a Leica screw mount.
I can see. It looks like Leica. Yeah.
With a Leica M adapter. Also usable on all M cameras or digital via adapters. With original lens hood, both caps, super condition, price point 5,000 and up.
So why there is no price on it, I can see.
Yeah, exactly. Another one from that range of lenses, 24 f1.4 SSC spherical, highly sought after today. Price point 10,000 and up.
Really? So even no price on it, so we can come and discuss prices here.
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
This is good at a shop like this. Sometimes you can say, hey, can you make it a little bit cheaper? And you say, yeah, maybe.
We are always open to talks, you know. So it's depends on the buying price. Yeah, that's the 55 f1.2, also a spherical SSC. Price point around 2,000 and up, and
even beautiful condition as well.
All beautiful. Yeah, mint and rare. Huh?
Again, mint and rare.
So, and then there is a lens which is not seen in Europe every day. 100mm f2.
Can I ask you something?
Produced, yeah.
What is this? GC220?
JCII, it was the quality control actually, and if the products have passed quality control, they got those stickers on. Yeah.
So it's
from Japan.
It means it's very good.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So, but it looks like it's very cheap. But I think it's very good. It's like the Arma-Gute-Siegel of cameras.
Yeah.
But
maybe
Japan.
Yes, yeah. Made in Japan.
And when you buy something
in Japan,
when you buy something in Japan, they always go like this, you know? Put your hand like this.
Exactly.
Thank you very much. This is what they do. Really, even with money.
Yeah, I know.
Put it like this.
I've been there a few times. Yeah. I worked there as well.
Really?
Yeah.
Can speak Chinese a little bit?
Chinese or Japanese?
Japanese. Sorry.
Just a very few phrases. But
like you have a camera I can buy it?
No, not really. There is one in particular which is Joe Tomate, which means wait a moment.
Joe Tomate?
Joe Tomate, yeah, which is basically translating to Joe and tomato.
Yeah.
We still got accessories brand new in the box maybe, yeah.
I put it a little bit like here so we have more space.
Macro ring lights, tele lenses, zoom lenses, macro lenses, accessories like that. Finder for the new Canon F1.
So you can look inside here like
exactly,
this, yeah? Belly button photography again. Is it?
Yeah. There are waist level finders as well for the waist, where you shoot like that and you look through like in your Rolleiflex camera, for example.
Which is broken and I have to get a new one. Maybe I can get some.
We'll check if we can repair it.
Yeah, I'll throw it away already.
No.
I hope I can find it.
If it's good, nothing has to be thrown away.
Okay.
So
that's right. That's a good thing. If it's good,
nothing has to be thrown away.
Look in the camera again. If it's good,
nothing has to be thrown away.
That's the point. This is how we do it. Yeah? Already.
So this is the mentioned autofocus lens. The motor was in here. Extremely slow, extremely unreliable, focusing back and forth. So you were a lot faster if you shoot manually.
So you put the lens on here, and then you can...
No, the lens is inside actually. Yeah? Then you put the batteries, and then it focuses automatically with a few late series cameras.
Wow.
But it's
passed.
Yeah, it passed, but it's pretty much useless today, unfortunately. Yeah. But a nice collector's piece, mint condition as well.
Yeah.
That's the Zoom.
Looks cool, yeah?
Looks cool, yeah. Looks cool in your display at home.
Yeah. But looks like a Schwarzenegger movie somehow. Something like that. It's like Total Recall.
What have we got here? That looks like some...
What is it? Is it a gun camera again?
No, it's a flash.
Ah, yeah. Okay.
Or a transmitter actually. But looks dangerous, no?
Yeah, well, it's okay.
Shouldn't go on
like,
through the border control.
It's like the Austrian police.
On the airport.
It's like the Austrian police. They just not look dangerous, but they are.
So what else we've got? 1.255.
Wow, so nice. So it's also passed again.
Another fisheye, 5.6, 7.5 millimeters. Flashes, grips, winders. You know, these are the winders, or one of them actually. This one's quite nice, which is a thorium glass, a 35mm f2 SSC lens. People which know, they know.
Yeah, I think it's. I saw that already a lot of times, and it's 35mm, which is always great.
Fast f2, 24mm as well, 28, 2.8, 100. Again, very clean entry-level Canon A1 program. We've always have them in stock. And that's actually the last box, which contains lens hoods. Lens hoods in boxes, lens hoods, accessories, close-up lenses, extension rings, you know, for real macro work. I mean, you use them one by one, but that's the extreme part here. Cables, close-up lenses, you know, all kinds of accessories. Yeah. 100, 200, 500, 900.
No, I'm not. I know the cameras.
Cameras are everywhere.
Cameras are everywhere, left and right. Super. Nothing inside.
and more lenses and more accessories and stuff like that. So for all the Canon vintage guys, check the website, check the stock, check the shop, Instagram, Facebook.
See you soon when we check out other cameras like Leica, Fuji, Polaroid and stuff. You can always get them here at Westbahnstraße, so please check it out or go online at
www.joegeier.com.
Joe Geier, that's the fucking name.
Bye, see you.